I really don't want to burn myself.
You won't.
You know what they are?
I like them for...
Yeah, please. You hold them right up like that.
I know. We did sparks before.
Right, go down there then. Here.
Angel, quick.
Please don't get onto me.
I'm not gonna.
Jay, don't be so stupid. Sky,
Guy, no, come to me. It's not gonna hurt you.
you put your arm right out.
You want one, Nanny?
No, it's okay. You have one.
I was gonna.
Round and round. Right, if you could just hold them a minute.
Hold on, Mum. My one don't want to light.
Will it stay on here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Bonfire that there.
Jay, move.
It's near my hand now.
No, it's not. It's nowhere near your hand.
No, it won't go near your hands.
See, mine's gonna fade out soon when it gets the end. When it gets the end of the like grey bit. And look.
It won't go down and burn your hands.
Yeah.
They do not make these like they used to.
No, no. Up in the air. Ooh. Right, put that straight in that bucket, please. Sky, no, not you. You've still got some. Good girl. Ooh. It goes out when it's finished. Straight in the bucket. Good girl, don't touch it now.
It's like smelting.
Leave it, don't touch it, put it in the bucket.
Put
and
it in
leave
the
it.
bucket and leave it. Once mine's finished, do you want me to light more?
Yeah.
Yay, bonfire night.
Not yet, on the 5th of November. Remember, the
But-
5th of November.
Okay.
But this is the Halloween bit.
Oi! He's a very lovely man.
It's like smelting
Right, can you hold both
the
ones?
noise.
Gonna have another one?
Yeah.
There's only 2 in this one,
Yeah.
so we could do that.
Right.
Without gloves, it's really good.
Mm. Give Sky her one
I
first.
was gonna.
Oh.
Ouch.
Let me see you, Sky.
Sky, turn round to Mummy. Stand back a bit until it's lit.
You take your one out of there.
Oh, that looks really cool.
Not near JD, darling.
Yeah, not near JJ. Jay, move.
Turn,
Idiot.
turn round to your mummy.
Jay, move!
Get in.
Get in the... Don't be so stupid. Fucking idiot.
I'm
You're
trying to
Australian,
be
so I'll
the
let you off.
ancient
Jay, sit.
Egyptian.
I don't think they like them.
Oh, cool.
Wow.
Now my favourite, the computer. Cool.
I always liked fire.
I love fire and sparks.
My mate wants to teach me how to eat fire. Like be a fire eater.
What we need to eat real
Joseph,
fire.
get in.
No, you don't. It's very
Right, in the bucket. Don't touch the top. In the
Don't
bucket.
touch. Put it in the bucket.
Quick. Good girl. Good girl.
And then they'll clean.
Yeah,
I'm
in
done.
a minute, when everyone else is done.
Just got to wait for mine now. Jay,